How to change profile on CrunchyRoll. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change profile on CrunchyRoll. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and further open Crunchyroll website, that is www.crunchyroll.com. Now make sure that you are logged in, and if not, then go ahead and log yourself in by entering your login credentials, that is your username or your email address and your password. Once logged in, tap on your profile drop-down on the top right of your screen and further tap on your name. Now tap on the change option you see on your profile icon. Now scroll through and look for the best suited option for you for your profile picture, and then tap on the save button and then tap on save again. And with this, you have successfully changed your profile on Crunchyroll. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.